5 Best Paint and Window Repair Tool. Here is the product number 5. Door Seal Car Sound Insulation Car Door. Brand name Alirot. Item type fillers, adhesives and sealants. Special features sound insulation. Item width, 0 cm. Material type, 3 meters car rubber. Item weight, 0.15 kilograms. Item length, 4 meters. External testing certification CE. Item height: 0 cm. Model name KZ4 is _customized. Yes. Color black. Car door rubber seal. Car make universal car door seal. Size: 4 meters. E-type car door rubber. Type 3 meters. Door seal style Z seal. Trim door seal. Here is the product number 4. 2018 Car Styling New Portable Fix-It Pro Clear. Features: 3 easy steps, very simple to apply, portable, non-toxic and easy to use. It is the fastest scratch repair that safely removes scratches from your car. / Finish quickly and easily, a must item for car lovers and drivers. Excellent design for clearing coat scratch repair. Features as non-toxic, permanent, odorless and water resistant. Can be used on any car, or in any color. How to use: shake car scratch repair pin applicator thoroughly with cap on. Apply car scratch repair pin in shaded area. Prime the Here is the product number 3. Windshield Repair Kits Car Window Repair Tools. Allows anyone to fix a damaged windshield or window. Single ingredient, eliminates mixing. Creates an invisible, undetectable repair in damaged automobile windshields or other laminated glass for windows. Includes instructions. DIY Windshield Repair Kit is designed to fill the air cavity with a strong penetrating adhesive that will bond the loose glass and restore the visibility. The patented design evacuates the air to fill the cavities with specially formulated liquid glass, that distortion and bonds the loose glass, preventing the damage from spreading. Here is the product number 2. Windshield Repair Kits DIY Car Window Repair. 100% brand new and high quality. Easy to use and operate, convenient for carrying and storage. Save you lots of cost and time to buy a piece of new glass. Match it with a curing light to achieve better repair effects. Practical car glass repair toolkit for all wise car owners. Allow you to cure and repair various kinds of damage caused by traffic accidents, impact, collisions, bump. Specifications: model, WRK15004. Color, multicolor material, plastic. Package included. Here is the product number 1. Fix-It Pro New U Car Scratch Repair. Scratch Repair Pin Clear Coat Scratch Repair Filler and Sealer. Achieve great results with these. Goes on clear, dries clear. Virtually invisible. Safe to use on any color of vehicle. Directions for use: shake the repair pin thoroughly with cap on. Prime the applicator on a separate surface. With the tip pointed down, press and release the tip on a surface until the tip is saturated. Protect the tip from sunlight. It may take 40 to 50 presses to saturate the tip. Apply the pin to the scratch in a shaded area. Work quickly as the resin cures in sunlight. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.